Hi there guys, this is Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the list of must-have apps on Yu Yuphoria. So guys, let's get started. So first app on our list is ES File Explorer. Let me just open it up. So this app is not just a normal file explorer, you have a lot of features in it. For example, you can access your cloud storage such as Dropbox or Google Drive. You can access your local LAN storage using the LAN tab. You can access the FTP storage using the FTP tab. You can create your own FTP server using the remote manager. You can create your own hotspot using the net manager. Using this net manager, you can either create a hotspot or else join a hotspot, which will be further useful to transfer files over Wi-Fi. Next, you have download manager to see the list of files that you have downloaded. Next, SD card analyst to analyze your files. It will just give you a graphical representation of the files which are occupying more space on your device. Next, you even have an option to enable recycle bin. That means whenever you delete any file on ES Explorer, it will go to the recycle bin. Next, you have an option to show or hide hidden files. You also have gesture support, which I personally don't use, so that's why I'm disabling it here. And a lot of features. So it is definitely a must-have app on any Android device. So let's check out the second app. So the next app in our list is Pushbullet. So using this app, you can push links or you can send links, images. Using this app, you can push links, text or images from one Android device to another Android device, or even the Chrome browser or Firefox browser if it has the Pushbullet extension or add-on installed on it. So it's a must-have app on any Android device. So let's move on. The next app in our list is MX Player. So it's just a normal video player, but it has some nice gestures to it. Let me just play a video for you. So we are playing this video, and if I scroll down, the volume will reduce, and if I scroll up and down on the left side, you can change the brightness. And if I swipe left or right, I can see the position of the player. If I swipe left or right, I can change the position where the video is being played. So it's a very nice player, guys, so do check that out. There are other players for watching videos on Android, but most of the people, at least that I know of, use MX Player. Next is the disk usage. So it also gives you a graphical representation of the files that are occupying or the files that are stored on your device. As of now, I have selected the internal storage, so it will give us a graphical representation of how the file structure is and how much space the files are occupying. So there we have it. At the bottom, it always shows you the free space. In this case, it is around 5 GB. And we have two sections. One is the media and the apps. This apps indicates the system apps and the apps which are installed. So your internal storage usually refers to this particular folder or category that says media. So you can see from here that the camera folder or the place where my images and videos are stored occupying the most space. Next is the movies folder where the screencasts are saved, and next we have some other folders in my storage. So in this way, depending upon the size, we get a graphical representation of which folder is occupying more space on our phone. So going to the next app, it is Ovo. It is a simple timer. The maximum amount of time you can set is 1 hour. You can simply set it by simply rotating it around the center. Just rotate and leave it, and it will start a timer, and when it is 0, it will give you a ring. You have some other options too, so do check that out. Next in our list is App Dialer. It is like a normal T9 keyboard on your phone dialer, but instead of contacts, it will give you apps. This is a free version of App Dialer which gives you both the apps and the contacts. You can change those settings by pressing the clear button over here. So this will take you to the settings. You can change the theme and all. So let me just show you how it works. Let's say I want to open Play Store. Then I need to press 7, 5, 2 because P is at 7, L is at 5 and A is at 2. Then it gives us Play Store, and when I click the Play Store, it will simply open the app. As it is the free version, it still has a lot of limited functionalities. For example, if I press and hold the icon, I get these additional options. On a pro version, you can directly uninstall from here or go to the app info, or simply create a shortcut on the home screen, or directly go to the Play Store page of that app, which is very cool. So anyway, let's go on. Next app in our list is Textra. So this is a free SMS app and the best one that I've used, which has SMS blocking feature. To block any SMS, simply press and hold on an SMS and press the menu button and select blacklist. Next time if you receive any message from that particular contact, you won't be notified and you won't even see that message. Just in case if you want to see all the blacklisted messages, simply go to settings and now you have this section called blacklisted. Select that and you have your blacklist contacts. From here you can simply unblacklist. So going on, next is a Camscanner. So this is the Camscanner, guys. It is a document scanner whenever you take an image using this application. So let me just show you how it works by taking an image. So guys, I just took an image. So after taking an image, just click this button and it will try to process the image and find the text on it. So as you can see, the image is upside down, still it found the image. You can try to crop it properly by selecting the edges or leave it as it is and press this button. Now it will crop the image, resize it and enhance the text so that it can be easily readable. Now simply press this button and it will be saved in a separate project file. From here you can share this file as an image or as a PDF from any application such as Gmail. So do check this out, guys. So the next app in our list is Gallery Vault, which by my usage is the best app to hide images, videos and any kind of file, even on SD card. So I've used many other applications, but this app has a lot of functionalities. I would definitely recommend you to buy the pro version, which allows you to save more than 200 files. Even the free version is pretty much usable, but if you want to hide more than 200 files, you have to buy the pro version. So the next app in our list is Greenify. So this is how the app looks. So what this application does is it will stop other applications from the root. So this application works with root and without root, and if possible try to root your device and give it root permission, because with root permissions it works way better. So let's assume you have the Facebook app which automatically updates every 15 seconds or 1 minute or every 2 minutes. Using this app you can put it to sleep. Just press the plus button and add the apps that you want to stop. As you can see, it is asking me for the root permissions. Simply grant. And now select the apps that you want to stop when you lock this device. Now select the apps that you want to block. So if I think that the UC browser and App Store are frequently running in the background, I'll select these apps, even the Facebook, and press this button and they'll be added to the list. And if I press this button, they will be stopped. There is even an option to enable auto hibernate, which is enabled by default. By using this particular application, you can save RAM as well as battery life. So let's move on. The next tab is Share It. I'm pretty sure you have probably heard about this app. This app is used to share files, whether it is images, music files or videos or any other file. You can send it over the Wi-Fi at very high speed. So you can create a portable hotspot or else use an existing Wi-Fi network. And you can even send files to the PC if the PC has Share It installed on it. So guys, do check it out. To send a file, you need to simply press the send button, and to receive a file, you need to press the receive button. So as of now, I am trying to send a file. Just select the file and select next. Now on the other device, you need to press receive, and if you press receive and both the devices are near, then you will find that device in this device. You need to simply select that device to transfer the files. So going on, the next app is Super Backup, which is a single solution to all kinds of backups. So you can backup apps, SMS, contacts, call logs, calendars and bookmarks. You can also automate the process to backup every day or every 6 hours. You can even backup all the details such as apps, SMS and contacts directly to your Google Drive account. If you're trying to move your data from one phone to another phone, then it is definitely very one handy application. So let's move on. The next app is torrents. If you're like me and if you want to download torrents directly on your phone instead of putting your system on for several hours, then this is the best app to download torrents. There is not much difference between the free version and the light version. In the light version, you can only download at a maximum speed of 2 megabits per second or around 250 megabytes per second. Whereas in free version, you can download it much higher speeds. So that's the only difference. Other than that, both are very similar. And out of all the other torrent clients, I find this one to be working very well. You can even download torrents directly to your SD card using this application. Next and final app in our list is Your Window. This is a weather app and it gives you a nice animation of the current weather. We can simply swipe left or right to see changes in the weather, and when it rains we can see the rain even on the screen, and you can see the weather changes at least 1 week ahead of time. And to go back to the current date, you simply press live and it will take you to the current time. To add more locations or change location, simply press on the top bar and select your city or add new city. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this.